stage, respected CRPs and respected teachers. I am very glad that I got the chance to express my views about the ELEC. I would like to say that nobody will teach you spoken English. Nobody will guide you how to speak in English. This is the only place you should be very thankful to the Azim Premji Foundation, isn't it? So always we should be thankful. And after attending this first session, every day I forgot to listen English. I forgot to read newspapers. I forgot to practice every day. After attending first or second session, this is the second session. After first session also, I started reading everyday newspaper and watching stories. Every day I am watching English stories. That is American English stories. I wanted to improve myself still, like how in newspaper channel, in English news channels, how they talk, how they speak. Likewise, I wanted to improve. So, as medical medicine said, we have to reach whatever we got here to the students. We have a number of tools and techniques. You know that, as the sir said, we came with the dust, chalk-piece dust. Earlier, by writing on the board, there were no tools at all then. Now we have a number of videos. English is available. I think that no language is available in online except English. Whatever you want, you search it, and AI tools are there. These AI tools maybe helped a lot to attend the assignments. I think I just checked everything and attended all the exam assignments, not just copying pasting, but I have read and recorded audios. These are helpful, I think. And even I would like to say that I am very thankful to even Azim Premji also. They have provided laptops also to our schools. So now what I am doing, I am showing the videos about English, how to read. I handle Hindi and English for 6th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Sorry, 5th Hindi is not there. For 6th, 7th, and 8th standard, I teach English and Hindi. So I am showing the laptops. In laptop, I am showing the YouTube videos. They are enjoying a lot. They are watching with a very calm and quiet. As a sir said, this is one of the best tools. You have to use it. If you have projectors, use it. And nowadays, Jio has given this one network, isn't it? Data is rate is very low. You can use it, isn't it? So make the students use by using tools and techniques. Right now we are using the projector. Without the projector, how you felt? Maybe you feel very bored. By watching the videos, even we learned very well. One video, maybe Muniba something is there about a video that I got impressed by that video. That woman expressed there. She said, I couldn't speak properly. I wanted to learn. She had the curiosity to speak in English. She went to talk with the foreigners. Maybe you heard that video, Muniba, I think.
Yes.
She went to speak with the foreigners. She spoke. They laughed. Later on, she learned spoken English. So it is I would like to say that as the English teachers, and not only English teachers, anybody can. As I said, as I discussed earlier with Sunil sir, with you also, there is a video. A number of videos are there. One village woman, she is a mason. Still, you can see Dehati woman. Dehati, if you type it Dehati in YouTube, you will get all her videos. She is a mason. Still, she do work in village. She speaks good English just by watching YouTube channels. I would suggest, please talk with the children in English, small phrases, small words, and as possible as use nowadays technology. Our laptops are there, a number of videos are there, materials are there. If you have printer, take the print and give them at least 5 lines stories if possible. maybe you have watched, many of you watched that my videos I thought. So I tried a little bit. So now the students are able to read and write that. Not completely, I don't say that all of the students are reading English, but more than 50% I think that they are able to read and write. So use the technology and make the student to speak, and you also. And many newspapers are, so one idea, I would like to say one thing, that is newspapers. Read out the newspapers, buy newspapers. I read newspapers loudly. If you read loudly newspapers, it will become your English fluency will become faster. So when you come across difficult word, just AI tools are there. ChatGPT, I would like to say, ChatGPT is there. One recently they have given one offer, that is 400 offer. You log into that, you will get up to November offer is there. ChatGPT Pro offer is there. If you just tick out their oral also, maybe you have tried. Even if you speak with the ChatGPT, I think, have you spoke with the ChatGPT? Did you speak? Anybody?
Yes.
Yes, you can speak with the ChatGPT. Wonderful. It speaks like a human being. You can use it. Just click when you open the ChatGPT. There, right side corner, there will be icon. Just touch it. It will become audible. You can talk like a human being. No foreigner is needed. No American is needed. As that Veena madam said, she talked with the call center persons to get her fluency, to catch them, to improve their fluency. But no need to call anyone. ChatGPT, when you open ChatGPT, below right side corner icon is there. Just click it and talk with it. How much you want to talk, you can talk. It never get bored. It never get tired. Your fluency, whatever you want to ask, you will ask it. And even I told my students, I am working in JNP Muddavadi. Now my students are using ChatGPT, Gemini. They are using Gemini. Everything they are checking. Whenever they get, I give whatever the assignments, the work I give them, they go through the ChatGPT. They are using it. Okay, thanks for sharing my views about the English language. It's a really wonderful training, I would say. Make later also. Main thing, if you want fluency, it is not just a cup of tea. We have drank and finished. We got the language. That is not like that. It's a long process. Every day you need to practice. Then only you can speak good English. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak.